Hello everyone, my name is Catherine. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to introduce you this jewelry brand called Missoma. It is a jewelry brand from London. You might have heard it before. So I started buying their jewelries from like 3 years ago, and I probably own like 10 to 15 different pieces, including their rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, so everything. I absolutely love their design and I love some of their collabs. If you like them, make sure to check out their website. They usually have like mid-year and end-of-year Black Friday sale. So definitely check it out if you're interested in anything in today's video. And let's get into it. Let's start with this piece that I just got. So I bought this earrings and it's on sale for 60% off. So definitely a great deal. It comes with a jewelry cleaning cloth in this little packet. So I'm just gonna open it up and show it to you real quick. Ooh, it's also in the color orange, so it matches with the design. I definitely love this packaging. So let's see. So this piece, it is called Wavy Ridge double drop earrings. It also comes with like a triple drop version, but that one is a little bit too long for me, so I just got the double drop. So here's the jewelry box and the little bag inside. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you the earrings. And so this is how it's like. I absolutely love this design. It's so smooth. It's like a very pretty gold color. It's like shell or wave or whatever. So I'm gonna put this on and show you how it looks like. There you go. Isn't this precious? It's like a perfect length when you're feeling something a little bit more fancy, I guess. It's also very simple and elegant, so it goes well with anything simple that you're wearing. So like for right now, I'm just wearing this white top and it's not like too much or complicated. And I'll just get close up for some details. Love this piece. And I also got some new Harris Reed collab earrings because it's about to be Chinese New Year and it's the year of snake. So I will share the two different snake earrings I got. So it's actually same design. It's just one silver, one gold, because I just wanted to put it like right here on my second ear piercing to go with some like bigger loop for the first ear piercing. So I will show you the little snake piece as well. Hold on. Okay, now we got the Harris Reed Serpent single stud earring. They're so dainty. They're like teeny tiny little earrings. I'm just gonna try to put it close enough so you can see it. You can see the detail of it. It's very, very small and it's got the black stone on it. So that's perfect if you're feeling something pretty small and dainty, not to just make you feel like you're overdressed. And also, like I said, it's the year of the snake, so definitely get something snake related. This is the Molten Twisted Double Hoop. It's also on sale, and this one, you think it's large, but it actually is not that big when you put it on your ear. So it's not like too much. And also because the design and it just goes very simple and elegantly, it's not gonna make you feel overdressed. So I'm gonna put this on and you can get what I'm saying. So this is how it looks like. And it would go well if you want to add on to something more like this piece. So I bought this one, I think last year. It's like a molten pearl air cuff. They also come with actual earrings that's like a bigger size, and it also has like same design in ring. I actually have that ring, so I'll show you the ring later, but here it is. This is the little air cuff, and you can just put it on your ear. Make sure it's tight enough, not gonna lose it. It goes well with other big simple earrings as well. I kind of like this stacking over here. Okay, moving on from the bigger pieces to the small everyday hoops that I have. So these one are the mini tunnel hoop. It's not like too big, but the thing is the hoop is actually relatively thick than a lot of the hoops that you could get somewhere else. It's not like invisible when you put it on, but it also looks really nice and it won't be very eye-catching for like a day-to-day wearing purpose. So I'm gonna put it on. And a good thing is you can add like little charms onto this hoop so that you can have different pairing, stacking, however you like it. But this is how it looks like. Just very simple little hoops that you can wear every day. I don't even take it off when I sleep or shower. And I've been wearing these for quite a few months. I don't see any changes in the colors, so I'd say these one are perfect if you're looking for some day-to-day hoops. And I also have some other hoops. I don't think they're available online right now. I'm not sure if they're just out of stock or they just discontinued this product, but they have something similar. It's like a twisted, thinner version of hoop. I'm gonna show it to you. So that's how it looks like. And on this one, I actually added a little charm from Majuri, the other jewelry brand. I think it's from New York. These one are definitely less noticeable, and you can also just wear this overnight. So yeah, check it out. You could probably found something similar online. Okay, the next piece, still hoop earrings, but these are definitely more chunky, and it is from another, my favorite collab. It is from Lucy Williams, and this one is called the Chunky Waffle hoop earrings. So these ones, they're like very modern, but it's like still relatively small compared to all those like charm or drop earrings. So these one you could probably match with like hoodies or something just simpler, or if you want to match it with like a dress or floral, that works too. So this is the size of it. Definitely more noticeable, but still not too much. So now we're done with earrings. Let's move on to bracelet and necklaces. This one is called Ingot Hands Gemstone Slider Bracelet. So I definitely love this design. So the ingot hand, so it's like you can see, it's like two hands holding this round circle thing. It's got a little teeny tiny piece of black stone right here. It's like a ring and some, I guess, fake diamonds here on the wrist. And it's just red stone, which fits perfectly for Chinese New Year again. And the best part is it's got this slider. It's so easy to put on and off yourself. It takes you 2 seconds. It's just so easy. And the red just adds a little bit brightness to your outfit. They also have like different stones, different color. They have like in pearl, and there's like something, I think there's like a green stone version. I'm not sure what stone that is though, but look at this. This is just so elegant. And I also have the same design necklace. So like I said, they also have it in pearl, and that's what I have right here. I think this one's pretty classic. It's like one of the bestseller. It has this extension in the back, so you can adjust the length if you want to, but definitely a pretty pearl necklace, and it's not like very boring. It's got the little hand design, so if that's what you're interested in, you want the little gold added to the pearl, go for this one. Keep going with the necklaces. So I'm gonna introduce the following pieces that is from the Savi and Missoma collection. So Savi is a pretty popular fashion influencer from China. She started to collaborating with Missoma, I believe, last year. So this is from last year's collection. This year she's got 2 new collaboration pieces, which have like some pearl, gold, and I believe some like red color stone in there for the Year of the Snake. This one is actually from last year's design. So this one is called the Pearl and Gemstone Beaded Necklace. As you can see, it's got 3 different types of stone. So you've got the pearl and white and some brown colored one and some darker black beads on there. I definitely love this piece because it just goes well with a lot of other necklaces that I own, so that I can play around with stacking them together. Like this one, I believe it's also from the Savi Missoma collection in the gold and quartz. I don't see this one online anymore. I don't know if it's out of stock or they discontinued it, but I believe they also have a black stone version, like a black onyx version of this, but it's very good for stacking because this necklace is longer and it can go with what I have right now, the beaded one. So like this. Here's another necklace from the collab with Savi. So this one is called the Sculptural Droplet Pendant Necklace. So it's like a water drop shape in sterling silver. And I also have this old piece of like a silver snake chain. So these two go pretty well together. And I'm just gonna put it on so you can see. The snake chain is shorter, so you can just put it for this first layer, and then this other water drop one, just put it on for a second layer because it's longer. And the chain is actually pretty special. So as you can see, it's like a twisted braided kind of silver chain. Finally, let's move on to the rings. Let's continue the Savi collection. So this one, it is the Savi Ridge Oval Gemstone Chunky Ring in Tiger Eyes. It's just so pretty. It's this brown stone, but it's got this, you know, the tiger eye effect in the middle, so it just changes color under different lighting. And this one, it is called the Sculpture Open Stacking Ring, which I love a lot because it's an open ring and the thickness is different, like around this ring, so that you can like change the size of it or just turn it around and stack it however you like. So these are the 2 from Savi, and I also have another ring also from the Savi Missoma collab. So this one is the Sculpture Gemstone Stacking Ring. It also comes with 3 colors. So this one's black onyx. It also have tiger's eye and the white quartz. So this one's definitely good for stacking. You can just put whatever other rings you have on different fingers or just stack them together. And here's another one I mentioned before that goes with the pearl ear cuff that I have, and it also comes with earrings. So this one is the Molten Pearl Twisted Stacking Ring. This is how it looks like. Also good for stacking if you have like other simple gold or pearl ring. So that concludes all my jewelry collection from the brand Missoma. Hopefully you loved the video and found some pieces that you like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!